Good morning, everyone. I just picked the carrots. Isn't that look yummy? I just want to show you the little garden bed that I have today. I mean, if you look into the back, this is like rows and rows of garden bed. I enjoy the community garden because where I live, I don't have the space to grow it. So luckily, I find this uh, slot, and then I has been growing vegetable for a long time. The reason I do that, there's a couple things. It's just so nice to, eat fresh vegetable, pick from the garden and into the body. I think that is one of the best way to get the nutrients in the body and save money on top of that, and also teach Taya where the vegetable come from. I feel like being outside is also such a healing thing to do. So why not, right? I just want to show you what I have. So right here is onions. I am not going to pick them until like way to the end of the summer, probably before frost. So I want the head of the onion to be as big as possible. I grow this from seed, so the head is not as big, but that's not a problem. It's something I grow and I'm proud of them. And right here we have sweet chard. As you can see, some of them are eaten by vegetable by animals that live here. I saw a lot of chipmunk here, and I'm happy to share the vegetable with them because they are not sprayed with pesticides and herbicides. That's the other important thing about growing your own vegetable. Like, for sure what is put in it. And if I can stay away, this one is kale. Do they call this one a dinosaur kale or something? It says kale number 1, kale number 2, and I have another rows of the little straight there. Carrot is coming up. So let's see if they are going to grow big enough before the frost is here. Curly kale, right? Nice and beautiful. I will pick them right after I am done talking. Another kale here. Oh, beautiful Thai basil. And here is beans. They are ready to be picked too, as you can see. Oh my God, it is so awesome. This is something I can pack for Taya as a snack, fresh to school. I just imagine that. It just made me feel happy to know that, it come fresh from the garden and into her lunchbox. And basils, Italian basil. So this one is so big. I'm going to for sure make pesto again and do a lot of pasta dishes. And this is another type of basil which is quite strong. I actually cut it down a lot already, but man, isn't that cool? It just keep growing. I hope that when you have an opportunity, you have space, you have time, you consider growing your own food, because I think this is one of the best way that you can keep yourself young and happy. Know that you don't need to do it a lot. You just do it a little at a time. Know how much you eat, know how many people in your family, and just have fun doing it. Like for me, my vegetable will only last for 3 to 4 months, and I'm happy with it. Of course, I long for them to last longer, but we have fall, winter here. That is not the case. But as long as I can get fresh food into my system, I will do it. And I hope You love yourself enough to fight to keep yourself stay healthy and young. I see you in the next video, everyone. Namaste.